tank 8. If we talk about a tanker of 80,000 tons, that way, let's say Madeira, Cyprus, Malta flagships, but even we could try much open flags for endorsements like Panama, Bahama, Bermuda, Marshall, Liberia. Then if we're talking about 10 tankers, 80,000 deadweight, of let's say captain, 12,000 US dollars, chief officers, 7 engineer, same for the chief engineer, sorry, 12. Then chief officer, 7 engineer, 9K. Juniors, well, same as in India and Philippines. Ratings, well, here, if we are going to have Latin crew for these size ships, it's not going to be easy to have Latinos speak English. So with 1,850 US dollar, we have them on board bulk carriers, containers, and always wiper, messman, 1,340 US dollar, which is approximate rates as Filipinos. But if we need with very good English tanker experience, many companies already have them. Greek ship owners, I'm not going to say more names, now are European controlled tankers. But if ships trade within America, why have ASEAN crew? We can really have this range of wages and then talk about 10 units because some other owners are having them already. Not so many with English, so that's why it's very important to dump the European flags, go to those flags I mentioned before, because there is many other nationalities. For example, Panama has 14,000 total statistically officers active, let's say 3,000, but still it's quite a number for about 10 tankers, your 10 tankers. Then please think about it, because I think wages in India are going astronomical, wages in Philippines, they are not getting the top 4 guys, and we need those talents and dolphins. So it is the right moment. Even we have a huge amount of Spanish cadets. Yes, why not? Because ships will trade from America to Europe. Then is it interesting to invest in the English-speaking tankers? I mentioned the wages. Well, if you want to go without English, perhaps you can quote a 15%. So that means that out of 100 ships, you have 15 for free. But that's up to you, dear tanker owner, to put more constraints, more requirements, more languages, and more so on. If quite a lot of people speak Spanish, well, up to you. We can do both things. Also, with us acting as employer from Panama, MLC approved, or even a Spanish flag is a huge opportunity because it has 1 day on board equals 2 days ashore for retention of the officers. Yes, and most of Peruvians are also endorsed, and we can have a 50% crew, and no tanker owner today is doing that. If we did that, we could really get the whole crew and the very interesting rates. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye. Look forward to your quote.